I have 3 bikes in my collection. I have 2 Mezzo bikes, M-E-Z-Z-O, and I have a Neo bike, which you can see now. This is a Mezzo D4. It has 4 gears. And this over here is my Neo bike. Both of them, of course, are folding bikes. Now, I have a third bike, as I say. I have a Mezzo 10, which is the bike I use most. And at the moment, it's down in the repair shop because it has a puncture. And this brings me to the one problem with a lot of these folding bikes. The wheels are very small, and so if you get a puncture, it's very, very difficult to repair it. It's really difficult to get the tires off these, to get the tubes out. I tried. I used the levers you buy in bicycle shops, and they just broke. I tried screwdrivers, I tried spoon handles or fork handles to pry the tire off, but I couldn't do it. My wrists weren't strong enough. So there you have a disadvantage with bikes with a small wheel. But now this, I already made a short video about this, and this is my Neo bike, which was a clone, a Brompton clone, and I fitted. It originally had just a single gear wheel, and since then I bought I think it's a 5-speed hub, which meant in fact buying a new back wheel. But and these gears are all low gears, so it's a dream to cycle up hills. A bike like this, an absolute dream. But the reason I'm filming this at the moment is I'm probably going to sell it in the next few weeks. And originally these cost €900. And I bought this one here for $450 because it was a display model, and I already had my Mezzo D10, which is a 10-speed Mezzo. Great bike. I'll make a video about that separate. But that's really all I wanted to say. But they're great bikes. Now they don't make Mezzo anymore. Mezzo bikes don't really exist anymore. But the company has changed its name to Ori. I've forgotten where it's based. It's not Germany. It might be Denmark or somewhere like that, some European country. And they still actually make them, but they're cosmetically they're different bikes. But there you are. My Paquita sticker. Now I'm not gonna fold these to show you how it folds. If you want to see how the Mezzo folds, well, you'll be watching this on YouTube, so just type in Mezzo bike fold, and there's videos there that'll show you how they're folded. So that's it.